Hi guys, Angela here. Welcome to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And today I'm gonna be using a few colors to paint. And these are the colors I'm gonna use. This one here is this yummy off-white color, and it's basically a titanium light by Amsterdam. And I ended up adding a little bit of satin, Americana multi-service satin. So that is what that is right there. Two colors there. The next one is my burned amber by Arteza, and this is this beautiful color here. Let's see, yeah, you can see it right here. Beautiful color. And then third color is Deco Art. Where is the color? Yeah, Deco Art Rose Gold. And that's this beautiful color. Guys, I'm holding my phone. I'm trying to show you my colors at the same time. But yeah, that's what that is. Another color I'm gonna use is also Deco Art Extreme Sheen. Come on, champagne. What is that? Let's see. Let's focus. Yeah, aquamarine. Yep, this is the aquamarine color by Deco Art Extreme Sheen. That's that one right there. And then over here we have Van Dyke Brown by Amsterdam. That's this one here. Van Dyke Brown. And then I ended up added a little drop of this Carbon Black by Golden. These are very fluid colors, so I just added a couple drops. Fluid paints, that is. Finally, we have our gold color, and this is a beautiful gold. It's Deco Art 24 karat gold by Deco Art, and I added a drop or two of Quinacridone Nico Azo Gold by Golden. There you go. Quinacridone Nico Azo Gold by Golden. These, like I said, I just mentioned, these paints by Golden are so fluid. All you need to do is just add a drop into your mixture, like your pouring medium, or you can just add to other colors and they will be so beautiful. So those are the colors I'm gonna be using. It's just gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. And my base paint is going to be a black base. I'm trying to use a black base, just a regular Artist Loft black. And let me get that for you and show you how it looks. Yeah, this is the Artist Loft soft body acrylic paint, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add it into mix it into a big cup and add my pouring medium. And my pouring medium is actually just Floetrol, which is it will be 50% Floetrol, and because this is a cup pour, it's ring pour, I am going to do 75% Floetrol and 25% GAC 800. That way it can be a little bit thicker. And then once I mix that, I will be using this canvas here is a 16 by 20, already prepared in the back. Guys, my workstation is very small. That's why I'm showing you things halfway, but yeah, there it is. That is what I'm using right there. So that's my supplies right there. Okay, and guys, I'm thinking of making another video. As you know, video 25, when I recorded that was about I don't know, about 3-4 months ago, and that's how I mix my paint to make, to paint my pearl art. But since I've branched into different techniques, I want to make another video showing you how I mix my paint for the ring pours and swipes and all that. But that is coming up very soon, because I want you to know how I mix these paints so I can get these beautiful results that I get. Okay, so I'll go ahead and set up my canvas, and I'll come back with you, and we'll just get started. I might not be talking a whole lot, but basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer these paints into one cup, and then I will do another traveling cup, just like I did on my 2 previous videos, and hopefully it will turn out good. So stay tuned and enjoy the video and the music. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for being here, and God bless. Okay guys, I decided to add another base color, and this is light gray. It's a beautiful color. So that's when I'm gonna do a split base. So yeah, that one, and I have my black here. It's ready. Okay, so there's a cup that we're gonna prepare, and I'm gonna start with this white here. It just feels like it's a little bit, yeah, it's fine. It's not thick at all. So yeah, you just go ahead and pour. And I'm gonna follow this with this beautiful color here. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. really pretty. How pretty this is. But I'm gonna need to stretch this over here a little bit. This needs to be stretched out, like in the middle a little bit. Like there, no? No, need to come back down. But not too much. Yeah. I wonder why he did that. Sometimes. At least that breaks it a little. That's better. Wish I can have the same on the other side. Let me bring you down, guys, to show you how beautiful this painting turned out. Look at this beauty. Look at this. I wasn't going for any cells or anything or any cloud mix. I mean clouds or anything, but this turned out wonderful. Beautiful piece. So yeah. This is really pretty. I like it. On this side, I think I put too much rose gold on it, but it's perfect. I can't complain. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful piece. So yeah, that's how it turned out. This is a wet result. Let me, and it looks like it can be hang. I don't know, when it dries, I'll kind of hang it this way and then the other way, and you can also hang it the long side, and then see how you like it. But I like it all size, hang whole size. So I don't know. Let's wait for it to dry, and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. This camera, it makes this color here look blue, but it's in reality it's green. On the canvas it is actually green. Very beautiful green color. I don't know why it's making it look blue. Anyway, so that's what we have. I will come back and show you when it dries. I had so much fun painting this, so yeah. I'll see you probably in a day or so. When it dries, I will show you a dry result. Okay, great. Thank you so much for being here, and thanks for checking out my channel and subscribing and liking and sharing. Thank you so much. You make me happy. You make me smile every time I see views and subscribers, because that shows that the content that I put out there is good content and you guys enjoy watching it. Thanks again. I appreciate it. I couldn't do it without you guys. Thanks a million. God bless. Bye.